Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing the Star Stable video. Yay! Okay, that was pretty loud. Okay, so it's a new day, so let's go do a race. This is Autumn King. My name's Winterbrook, Autumn Winterbrook. And if you want to see my clothes and stuff, that's me. So pretty. Oh, look, there's another quarter horse. I'm riding a quarter horse. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's early. I can jump, which you can only get to do if you're a Star Rider. And you see down there, I'm a Star Rider. Anyways, okay, let's do a race. Hello, Loretta. That was a weird sound. You want to try out the race again? Sure, let's go for another ride. Okay, that sounds fun. Yes. Sorry, I don't know what that was. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Go, Autumn King, go. You have to go to where those green arrows are. And you have to go in between them or it won't work. I know loud music. Look at that person freaking out. Are you freaking out because of my awesome skills? Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! See, if you go in a circle and go back around, then you'll be saved, but it's not the best thing. Uh-oh, I'm so gonna mess this race up. Come on. Beat this person that I don't know. Oh no! Ah. Okay, I'm saved. I'm saved again. Ooh. I'm bad at racing, as you can see. You think I'll beat my high score? Yeah, we can do it. Sorry, I'm focusing. So I'm not talking. And we can do it faster. Oh, that's a rock. I'm not going to do any shortcuts today. Did I get a high score? What? What happened? Reopen. No. Oh, what happened? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Excuse me. You can fast forward this. I don't know what happened. Okay. Sad. What did I do? What did happen? Okay, we'll have to log in. We'll pause for a second. Oh, wait. You can fast forward. Okay, that's Jax. Okay, that worked. Ugh. I was about to say, don't let me start over again. There you go. I guess welcome back. Oh no, I have to do the race again? Oh, this sucks. Oh well. That's sad. Okay, I'm not doing any races. I give up. I don't want to do it. Oh. Okay. Let's go to Fort Pinta. Which I believe I'm going the wrong way for. Oh, that's a rock. Oh, that's fence. Okay. You know what? I believe this is getting to be a little too long. Next episode won't be such a terrible episode. I'm so sorry, guys. But I think this is a good place to end the episode, so yeah. Bye, everyone, and thank you. Soon later, I'm going to be getting some new horses, so stick around for that. And yeah, bye!